Hello, my name is Chandra. Welcome to the video. I'm going to show you how to fix LG brand microwave, which is having a little bit problem with the keys. Some of the keys over here, the stop and start button, they do not work. So mostly the reason is because of the steam that comes off the kitchen work. Like if you're cooking something continuously, like the steam coming up, that gets into the panel here, and the steam affects the carbon level which is beside the panel. Right beside those signs there should be some kind of element that triggers the electric circuits, and you can start and stop the microwave. I'm not talking about the technical part of the stove, but I'm just talking about how we can fix if microwave is not working, especially in terms of the some of the tabs. Okay, so if I go to the panel here, let me try. If I press 1, oh, it works. 2, yeah. 3, yeah. Oh, if I go there, 0 doesn't work. 5 doesn't work as well. It works. 6 works. If I go start press, oh, no, it doesn't work. And this one, stop sign as well, it doesn't work. Okay, so what I can do is I get a piece of paper towel, a small piece. You don't have to have this big piece, whatever. Okay, get a small piece of paper towel and you start rubbing this. So keep rubbing for about 30 seconds or more if you require. Just use your fingers and keep rubbing. I'm just rubbing for a while. Okay. Let's try if it works. If it works, that's good. You know, it's very costly to buy a new one, and you incur extra cost in order to get rid of this one, as well as buying the new one, plus calling some technician to install it. Always this is costly, man. Yeah, let's try some easier way if it helps, saving the cost of renovation. All right, so what I tried is I pressed, like I rubbed this panel for a while, which might help getting rid of the steam out of there, which is right beside the panel. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me clear it now. It doesn't work either. Okay, keep rubbing more. Keep rubbing more. Keep rubbing more. And try. No, it doesn't work. Okay, let's see. Oh, it needs more rubbing there. Okay, it has started working. Look at this. You can stop it now. Clear. Stop. Alrighty. Okay, now you can see it's working now. Alright. Now let's try some 10 seconds. Starts working. Look at that. Start. Okay. Can I stop it? Look at that. It's not that difficult. So just try rubbing and getting rid of this steam which is right beside the panel. Okay. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps you as well to fix your own microwave. Okay. Have a good one. Bye.